Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 Games We Play. In these chapters, we learn about so many games. Do you know, children? We play games not only for entertainment but also for benefit. Now, I will read first para and explain to you. We play games for fun and recreation. Many games help us relax. Exercise keeps us healthy. Sports person learn to stay focused and also learn healthy habits. Games also teach us to interact socially. Games can be categorized into indoor and outdoor games. Games like Ludo, chess, and carom that are played inside a room are called indoor games. Games like cricket, hockey, football, basketball, and golf that are played outside in the playground are called outdoor games. Now I explain. We play games for entertainment and recreation. But playing games have many benefits. It makes us healthy and fit. And we are social for playing games together. It also develops our concentration. There are two types of game, indoor games and outdoor games. Games that are played inside a room are called indoor games like Ludo, chess, carom, etc. And games that are played outside in a playground are called outdoor games like cricket, hockey, football, etc. Now I read next paragraph. Individual and team games. Games in which a player play alone against another player is called individual games. For example, golf, chess and billiards are individual games. The games that are played between two teams, each consisting of several players, are called team games. For example, cricket, volleyball, hockey, football, baseball, and basketball are team games. Now I explain this para. So, firstly, we see which types of game are called individual game. Games can be played alone against another player. Such games are called individual games. For example, chess, golf, etc. Team games. The games in which a group of players plays another groups of players are called team games. For example, football, cricket, hockey, etc. Now I read next paragraph. What is team spirit? All the players of team have a common goal and play in the interest of the team. The cooperation and coordination among the team members is called team spirit. The performance of each member is important. A team needs to have team spirit so as to win the game. All members should respect each other and work in coordination. They must trust each other. A team leader plays a very important role. He should be dedicated, focused, and passionate. He should be able to motivate the team members. He should stay calm in all circumstances. He should be quick in making decisions. Now I explain. The player of team play for whole team and not for their individual records. The cooperation and coordination among the team members is called team spirit. Members of a team respect each other. A positive team spirit leads to a victory of the team. Each team has a leader. He encourages his players, guides them, and appreciates. He makes decisions quickly. Next para. National sports. Generally, the most popular sports of a country is called its national sport. Here are some national players of some countries who represent their country in international sports events like the Asian Games and the Olympic. The national games of some countries are listed below. India hockey, USA baseball, Brazil football, Japan sumo wrestling, Bhutan archery. Children national teams are formed by selecting the best players from all over the country, and national teams compete and perform at international level in tournaments, Olympics. In India, national games is hockey. In USA, baseball is national games. Now see this para. Girls and boys play together. During olden days, girls were discouraged to play games, but now time has changed. Girls are getting equal opportunities as boys. They have been able to make a mark in all kinds of sports and games. There are separate teams for women and men for all sports played at the national and the international level. However, in certain sports, both women and men may jointly play as a team, that is mixed double tennis. Now I explain this para. Students, in some games, different teams of men and women are formed. For sports like cricket, footballs, etc., there are separate teams of men and women. In sports like tennis and badminton, men and women may jointly play as a team. Such a contest is called mixed double. Now we see changing nature in leisure. In earlier times, children used to play more of outdoor games like kanche, gulli danda, lattu and pittu. Some children also did indoor activities like embroidery and rangoli making. They enjoyed simple pleasures of life and led a healthier life. But now, television take up most of their time. Though television help us to know what is happening all around the world, it has made children lazy. They prefer to sit in front of the TV or play video games rather than play outdoor games. They prefer watching cartoons instead of reading books. Thus, they are leading an unhealthy and sedentary lifestyle. People who spend most of their time in front of the TV are called couch potato. Students, in earlier time, children were play so many outdoor games like hockey, cricket, and many indoor activities like embroidery and rangoli making. But now children prefer to sit in front of the TV or play video games. They prefer watching cartoon instead of reading books. That's why children are leading an unhealthy life. People who spend most of the time in front of the TV are called couch potato. So, children, do you understand? Now, let's see local games. Local games have always been an important part of our Indian culture. A large number of local games are played in our country. They have different name and are played in different way. Let's read about some of these. Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a very popular and simple game. It is played on a leveled ground between two teams. There are 7 players on each side. This game requires skill and strength. It is also known as Hututu in Maharashtra. Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is a simple local game. It is a team game with each team consisting of 12 members. One team kneels on the ground with alternate member in the row facing in the opposite direction. 2 or 3 members of the other team are sent into the court. The sitting team has to chase and touch the members of the opposite team. Mallakhambh. Mallakhambh is a traditional form of gymnastics. The performer performs complex exercises on a special pole. This sport requires grace and agility. Wrestling. Wrestling is a very popular game. It is practiced in an akhara. The wrestlers are Pahlwans have a follow a healthy diet to play this game. Now I explain about local games and how many local games are there. In our country, so many local games. They are an important parts of our Indian culture. They have different names and play also in different. These are Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, Mallakhambh and wrestling. Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a very popular game. It is played on a leveled ground between two teams. Each team have 7 players. Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is also simple local game. One team kneels on the ground with alternate members in the row facing in the opposite direction. The sitting team has to chase and touch the members of opposite team. Malakham. Malakham is a traditional form of gymnastic practiced by wrestler. Players turn, twist, stretch and balanced on a pole. Wrestling. Wrestling is a very popular in Haryana. The players eat healthy diet and practice in akhada. Now we see local martial arts. Martial arts are sports that involve self-defense, meditation, fitness and character development. They are different forms of mock combat which have been developed into various forms of art. Let's read about some martial arts popular in India. Judo and Karate. Judo and Karate are some of the famous martial arts that require meditation and skill. It is also used to defend oneself from attack. Thang Tha. Thang Tha is a popular martial art of Manipur. It is an art where opponents fight using a sword and a spear. Thoda. Thoda is a martial art of Himachal Pradesh in which two games of archers armed with wooden boxes and arrows face each other. Kalari Payattu. Kalari Payattu is one of the oldest martial art form in the world. It involves great acrobatic skills. Kalari is a Malayalam word meaning a special gymnasium. Now I explain about local martial art. Students, martial art is usually the art of self-defense. Nowadays, it is practiced as a sport. Judo Karate. Judo Karate is also used to defend oneself from attack. Thang Tha. Thang Tha is a popular martial art of Manipur. It is also art where opponent fight using a swords and spear. Thoda. Thoda is a martial art of Himachal Pradesh. Kalari Pattu. Kalari Pattu is a local martial art of Kerala. Now we have completed this chapter. We will meet in our next class.